Good morning, friends. Welcome to Soul Bites by Amit Shah. Today, we are going to cover a topic wherein the society secretary and treasurer or a chairman are thinking for installing solar power plants and not aware about their uh, basically benefits, cost benefit analysis. So we have a live case story, which I can explain you through this video. We had a we have installed solar power plant at one of the society in Kandivali East, and as you can see the electricity bill, which is like before solar power plant installation, which you can see the total amount before due date is 78,000. And then once we install this solar power plant and the bill, as you can see, total amount on your right hand side, the total amount before due date is just 2,555 rupees. And if you can see, I have also highlighted meter unit and bill unit. Earlier it was somewhere around 4,300 units in a month, and then now it's somewhere around 0 units. So you can see the difference wherein 78,000 rupees of monthly bill can be converted into just 2,500 rupees. Uh, if we see like this solar power plant we install, you can see every day the generations, every month generation. So in this scenario, there is one more society wherein the generation for the month of March 2025, I have shown here on the left hand side image, and on the right hand side image you can see the total for the month of March. The total units were generated 6,181 units, whereas the total plant capacity was 38 kilowatt. So 38 kilowatt in March, it can generate 6,181 units. Uh, Apart from that, the society has also received somewhere around 6 lakhs and 91,000 rupees of subsidy within a month from PM Surya Yojana. This is the exact message received by the society. You can check this message within a month of installation. Now, uh, we can focus on investment to return calculation, wherein I've explained you in a very simple terms the ROI, return on investment calculation. Total capacity of the plant was 38 kilowatt. Total savings per month, as you can see, 75,000 rupees into 11 months, because we are excluding monsoon month. So the savings of the year would be somewhere around 8 lakhs to 8 lakh 25,000. Subsidy they have already received 6 lakhs 91,000. I have considered round figure, which is 7 lakhs. Total savings in a year, so 8 lakh 25,000 plus 7 lakhs, which will give you 15 lakhs 25,000. So in the first year itself, the society has saved 15 lakhs 25,000. The total investment made by the society was 21 lakhs. So from 21 lakhs within a year, the society has received 15 lakhs rupees. So payback is, as you can see, less than 2 years only, and warranty of these solar panels are 30 years. The performance warranty is 30 years and the product warranty is 12 years. So if you can take only 20 years, first 20 years of your life cycle of solar power plant, you can save somewhere around 1.44 crores of rupees, and this money you can use for upliftment of your society. Thank you. Stay tuned. Soul Bites by Solgen Greentech. I'm Amit Shah. You can contact me on the screen. Thank you.